But the Hellgast are a lot smarter this time around. We're focusing, that's one of the things that we definitely wanted to improve over the previous Killzone, to make sure that the AI is up to speed. Not just because the world is a lot more complex with physics objects, with destructibility, but also to have them show some proper tactical behavior. With the lean and peak system we've got in here, it also allows you to assess the situation a lot better, so you can actually sort of see how you want to play this before you go into the situation. All of these abilities that the player has, like lean and peak, the AI have those same abilities. They can even blind fire over certain areas. They can throw grenades if you're hiding out for too long. So they're really trying to make this as challenging as possible for the player. Grenades, of course, you can still cook as well. That's something that we kept from the original Killzone, so that's building on the strengths of that. I think the visual style you recognize, we're carrying that forwards from the original Killzone and Liberation onto something like a PlayStation 3. Trying to add and really utilize all the power that the PlayStation 3 has by adding lots and lots of detail, not just in the animations, but in the world itself. Everything is done with lots of detail. Now this is the buddy assist mechanic that we've got right here. Got your buddy snapping into position. He's going to give you a leg up. Again, all in first person. Want to make sure that you get the full experience there. And of course, the smart thing is, I mean, these systems, we're trying to make them foolproof as well. So, actually, never mind. If you actually jump down, your buddy will recognize that and will pull you up again as well. So, those kind of things we're all making sure that are very much polished up. Of course, we know that this game's coming out in February of 2009, which means that, well, looking at the game right now, got a lot more work to do. We're polishing up all these different kinds of things. Want to make sure that we get absolutely every detail right. It's that important for us to live up to the expectations that people have. So we want to make sure that everything is working the way it should. One of the things that's very important for us, you can see a reload animation here, is this being a first-person shooter, we want to make sure that the thing that you're doing for 70-80% of the time, which is shooting, actually feels really good. So not just the details in the reload animations, the depth of field on the weapons, the weightiness of the weapons. We want to make sure that every bullet you fire has an actual impact on the world around you. That means that not just the destructibility and physics objects that go flying. We all know the water cooler from Killzone 1. We want to make sure that there's a lot more destructibility this time around, and that you can sense all sorts of stuff flying. But this time around, one thing that we definitely wanted to improve over the original Killzone as well is the death animations. And what we did with that is we implemented the system we call the hit response system. With hit responses, what we're doing is we're blending motion captured hit animations, and we're blending those with physics impulses. So that means that based on the weapon that you're using, based on the distance, where you're hitting them, we're actively blending these animations. So every bullet that you fire has a different kind of impact, and you can see all these different animations, which really make you feel empowered because your weapon is doing all these cool things.